happy, healthy and prosperous new year, and heartfelt thanks for following our channel and watching our recipes. Our today's recipe has its origin in Mexico. It consists of tortillas, which are nothing but rotis, and we have to add a filling in it. The filling can be anything of your choice, be it beans, vegetables, but there is one principal ingredient that we can't miss out on, and that is cheese. We need to melt it to the right temperature to give the recipe its lip-smacking taste and flavor. Let us see how to prepare quesadillas, where queso means cheese in Mexico. To follow us on YouTube, search for Madhura's Kitchen Diaries on YouTube, press the subscribe button followed by the bell icon and select all option to get the latest notifications of all our recipes. Our first step is preparation of the tortillas. For this, we'll require 100 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We will begin kneading the dough for the tortillas. First, take refined flour in a plate with sufficient depth, add little salt to it, and then we'll add 2 teaspoons of oil to it. Mix these ingredients well. Now we'll start adding milk a little at a time and start kneading the dough. Adding milk gives softness to the dough. After adding around a glass of milk, if required, we'll add little water at a time to knead the dough. As we can see from the video, the dough ball has come together. We'll now do the final kneading by greasing our palms with oil. The kneaded dough should be soft, at the same time shouldn't be sticky. We can see the softness of the dough from the video. Now we'll cover it with a cloth so that the dough doesn't become dry. After 10 to 15 minutes, we'll take off the cloth, grease our palms with oil once again and knead it one more time. Now we'll start making small balls from the dough depending on the size of tortilla we want to prepare. We'll now take a small portion of the dough on a rolling board and start rolling it with firm, equal pressure. We have to dust flour intermittently to ensure that it doesn't stick to the rolling board. Roll it as thin as you can so that it's evenly thin from all the sides. After obtaining the desired size of the tortilla, we have to transfer it to a hot tawa and roast on each side not more than 10 to 15 seconds. See to it that you are not roasting it completely. After you see light brown spots appearing on the surface, immediately take it off the tawa and transfer it to a plate. We can see the light brown spots which are even on both sides of our partially roasted tortillas. We'll now keep the tortillas covered with a cloth till we prepare our filling for the quesadillas. Now we'll proceed to preparing the filling for the quesadillas. Let's take a look at the ingredients. 2 teaspoons salted butter, 8 to 10 flakes of finely chopped garlic, 2 finely chopped onions, half cup boiled sweet corn. I have kept it in a cooker, boiled it for a whistle followed by simming for 5 minutes. 2 finely chopped bell peppers, 1.5 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon mixed herbs, 1.5 teaspoons oregano, 2 teaspoons chili flakes, half teaspoon black pepper powder, 6 to 7 black olives, half cup grated cheese. I have taken cheddar cheese, you can even take mozzarella, and salt to taste. We'll take around a tablespoon of butter in a pan and allow it to melt. Now we'll add finely chopped garlic to it and saute it for a minute or two. Next goes in the finely chopped onion. Saute it till the raw smell goes away and they acquire a pinkish brown color. Now we'll add the bell peppers. If you don't have bell peppers, you can add even the green capsicum to it. After mixing the bell peppers well, we'll add boiled sweet corn to it. Mix them nicely. Next we'll add the black olives. If you like, you can even add mushroom to this filling. Now goes in black pepper powder, chili flakes, oregano, and mixed herbs. Now we'll add around 2 teaspoons of tomato ketchup to the filling. It gives a very nice tangy taste to your filling. Next goes in the salt. Mix it well and we are done with our filling. We'll allow the filling to cool down before proceeding to prepare the quesadillas. We'll take around a tablespoon of butter in a pan, allow it to melt and place a tortilla on it. Now we'll add grated cheese on half side of the tortilla, spread it evenly and add filling on top of it. Add a little bit of mixed herbs to it and place another layer of grated cheese on top. Flip the other side to close the quesadilla. Press it gently with a spatula so that the filling spreads evenly. Now allow it to cook on a medium flame and cover it with a lid for around 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we'll take off the lid and flip the side. We can see how nicely it has got roasted. Let the other side also get roasted for another 2 minutes. We are done with the preparation of our quesadillas. We'll take it off on a plate. Let's cut it into half and serve it hot. You can serve it with tomato ketchup or Mexican salsa. We really hope you have liked this recipe. Keep watching Madhura's Kitchen Diaries for more recipes